This video is a collection of 360-degree photos. Each photo is shown for about 15 seconds before moving on to the next photo. Viewing can be done on computers and mobile devices simply by sliding each 360 photo up, down, and all around. If you wish to explore a specific photo longer than 15 seconds, just stop the video, then restart the video to continue. If you have access to a VR headset like Google Cardboard, you can view this video with its 360-degree photos in an enhanced environment. Thank you.